Ladies and gentlemen of the beautiful crypto space, the XRP price all of a sudden decided to do something crazy over the past couple of hours. Matter of fact, I'm quite surprised actually. This is the price on the 15-minute chart. And don't judge me for laying in the bed. The price went up roughly, I don't even know, I think like 9% or so within 15 minutes as it went from 53 cents to almost 60 cents. Yeah, in the span of nearly anything. Now, the price has come down ever so slightly, but I guess a lot of you guys are wondering what exactly is going on. Well, at first, I didn't really get what was going on. I thought it was just another one of those waves where XRP does kind of crazy in terms of price without any explanation, because that's kind of how XRP rolls most of the time. Not gonna lie to you, that's like the most XRP-y thing out there. But over the last couple of minutes, I've received a couple pieces of news. This was announced 14 minutes ago to be exact. That's quite interesting that the price went up roughly 30 minutes ago. So this news came 15 minutes later. I guess people knew it was going to happen though before this news popped up. Anyway, make sure you press that like button and let's dive right in. Yeah, so the news is, as you can see right here, we are proud to announce the creation of a new single asset crypto investment fund, the Grayscale XRP Trust, which will be available through private placement, available to eligible accredited investors. And again, this was posted at this point now roughly 18 minutes ago. This is obviously due by time. And let's quickly see. Yeah, so they haven't really posted anything about this, in the minutes leading up to it. Grayscale Trust allows investors to gain exposure to XRP, the token powering the XRP ledger, a distributed peer-to-peer network created to help cross-border financial transactions. So I'm not exactly sure how the people got wind of this or why the price pumped so much beforehand. It's actually quite peculiar if you think about it. To be honest, there is some more negative news when it... Oh, my Zoom is not working anymore. Okay, that's interesting. I wanted to say there is some more negative news when it comes to the whole crypto space, especially with the SEC. I originally thought that might have pumped the price, but even that on a time scale is not, it's not close enough, right? It had to be like 1635 or something that people got wind that something massive was happening to XRP. So this does not fit. Anyway, what happened here was that eToro reached a settlement with the SEC and will cease trading activities in nearly all crypto assets. So basically, eToro had a battle with the SEC, and to not be completely screwed over to the fullest degree, they decided to give up. Most common strategy with almost any firm out there that has battled the SEC, they just give up. Ripple didn't, which is interesting because it's definitely not the easiest way to go about things, but Yeah. The eToro guys did not want to mess around with the SEC. And so they basically just said, you know what, we'll stop crypto trading. Coinbase, Kraken, and many others are still facing the lawsuit and are still waiting for it. Then again, wait a minute, 42 minutes ago, woo! Apparently SEC Chairman Gary Gensler is under investigation by top Republican lawmaker Jim Jordan, Patrick McHenry, and James Comer for engaging in suspected political favoritism in his hiring practices. That is interesting. That is very interesting. Okay, so I haven't read this yet because I didn't know this existed until roughly 30 seconds ago. I'm gonna assume it does not include anything XRP related because it's just about the hiring practices which he has gone for, which obviously we know Gary Gensler is a shady individual, so so that makes a little bit of sense. However, perhaps following the timeline, this is what people got excited for with regards to XRP. It would make more sense in terms of timing. If we just quickly scroll through, I thought maybe she reported on something else. You see, she posted the XRP US Trust, kind of funny, before Grayscale did, but again, it's also 35 minutes ago. It's not enough, but this is the only other news that she reported on in the same time span. And so I'm assuming that nothing else had come out in the midst. Okay, another 5 minutes of just scrolling around. I've noticed, no, there's just two things. It's Gary Gensler getting a big slap in the face, and it's Grayscale now activating XRP again. For all of you that do not know, Grayscale a long time ago had themselves an XRP trust, which they completely disbanded for the most part the moment that the SEC sued Ripple. And I guess this is just Grayscale is showing that Ripple is now back in the green and that XRP is now again viable. And I guess people perceive this as a, even if, damn, I saw something on, I can't show you this on camera, what I just saw. Interesting. All right, sometimes when you scroll through Twitter or X nowadays, there's some interesting things on there. This one is for Kamala Harris. Regardless, all right? I got to stay focused, my dudes. So I guess it kind of is, and people perceived it as a positive note for XRP because it means the U.S. investors really now get to put their hands back on an institutional scale. Obviously, since XRP got relisted on almost any platform already, most people could already start trading it. There's still a lack, though, of XRP accessibility, if I'm being honest with you. It's still not the most common pair for how large it is, but I guess they don't want it to be. They could have done that a long time ago, but they don't want it to be. So I always believe. Anyway, it is nice, though, to see that Bitcoin is slowly ticking up and that XRP right now set a good pump in, you know, because these things get people excited again. Many of you don't realize just how much the community in terms of sentiment matters. The moment that people are thinking, ooh, you see XRP can do some pumps again. You see XRP is gaining while Bitcoin is only doing little ups. Really, if you start seeing that a little bit more often, you start seeing just how crazy exponential prices can go. I'm just putting that out there that really, I think for XRP, the main barrier is the $1 mark. Once it gets crossed, things will go really quickly. It's just my honest opinion on the matter. But right now, this is all the news that's going on. If you enjoyed this video, just a quick little update, make sure you press that like button. And if you're wondering, Dusty, why are you not behind a laptop? Because my microphone broke, ordered a new one, but it takes a few hours to get here. That's the long story short. Hence recording this from the bed, because, yeah, why not? I'm on the phone anyway, right? Guys, I hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you're all making some money on the XP pump. If you're not, well, yeah, then hopefully the next few years will be for you. That's about it. See you guys again in another one. Peace out.